See the 11th question, guys. Here let us find out A and D first. A is 3, D is A2 minus A1, that is equal to 15 minus 3, 12. And we are asked here to check which term will be 132 more than 54 term. Which term will be 132 more than 54th term? Okay, which term will be always an, because we have to find out n. So an can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. 132 plus a plus 53t. So you can cancel a also. Let us substitute the value of d. So n minus 1 into d is 12. 132 plus 53 into 12. So n minus 1 into 12, 132 plus 636. So n minus 1 into 12 is 768. So n minus 1 be 768 by 12, 64. So n equal to 65. So 65th term is a term which is 132 more than 54th term. Okay. And 12th question is a little different question. Two APs having the same common difference. Let us write. The first one will be A plus D, A plus 2D, something like that. Second one will be A1, A dash, comma, A dash plus D, A dash plus D, 2D, so on, like that. Why I wrote A dash here? Because two different APs. Why didn't I write D dash? Because they told that they are having the same common difference. Okay, that is what the reason we write D same. Now what did they say? The difference between their 100th terms, A 100 minus A dash 100 is 100, and the question is, what is the difference between their 1000th term? Is what? This is the question. Okay. Now difference between 100 terms is 100. A 100 you can write A plus 99D minus A dash plus 99D. D is same in both. So let us expand this. Minus A dash minus 99D is 100. Cancel 99D. So A minus A dash is equal to 100. We use this value later. Now we are asked to find out this. A 1000 minus A dash 1000. What is A 1000? A plus 999D minus A dash plus 999D. Now let us subtract this. A plus 999D minus A dash minus 999D. Sorry. You can cancel these two. What is this value here? We found this value already here. This is nothing but 100. So the answer is 100. Okay. Here the question is, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Let us see what is the first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7. 100, it won't be. 101, no. 102, no. 103, no. 104, 102, 7 ones are 7, 30, no. 103, 7 ones are 7, 33. So it will be 105. Is the first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7. Next number will be add 7. Next number will be 190. So on. Before 1000, what is the last 3-digit number that is divisible by 7? Let us see. 1000, no. So 1000 is a 4-digit number. 999 will not be. 998. 7 ones are 7, 29, 7 4 28, no. 7 2 is 14. Now 996, 7 9, 29, 28, 16. It should be 14. 994. See, 994 is the last digit. Let us check. 7 ones are 7, 2s. So 994 is the last 3-digit number. Now the question is, how many are these? How many are these? Yeah. So we take as usual process. Whenever we are asked to find out how many, then we equate the required thing or the last term to an. Okay. So here a is 105. Always the basic standard process. First term is a, second term common difference is a2 minus a1. That is 7, and no need to do this also because it is the numbers divisible by 7. You have a and d and equate a and to the last term so that you get the value of n. Okay, a plus n minus 1 into d. 994. A is 105 plus n minus 1 into 7. 994. Bring 105 to that side. 994 minus 105. 889. Let us divide with 7. 7 sevens. So n minus 1 is 127. N equal to 128. So how many 3-digit numbers will be there? There are 128 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 7. Now this question is also something like that. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Multiples of 4 we have read. What is the first number between only? So these will not be included. After 10 the first multiple is 12. Next will be 16. Next will be 20, so on. Before 250 it will be 248, which is multiple of 4. You are asked to just find out how many. So as usual we write A is 12, D is 4 as A2 minus A1, and we equate AN to 248. This is A plus n minus 1 into D, 248. A is 12, n minus 1 into 4. So n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 236. N minus 1 will be 59. N equal to 60. So there are 60 terms which are multiples of 4. Okay. Now see the 15th question. For what value of n the nth terms of these two are equal? Nth terms are equal. First let us write A and D. A is 63 here, D is 2. A dash we take 3, D dash is 7. For what values of n? Nth terms are equal. Like this you have to equate. Here it is A plus n minus 1 into D. A dash plus n minus 1 into D dash. Why did you write n dash? Because nth term is same no, in both. So A is 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Let us multiply 63 plus 2n minus 2. 3 plus 7n minus 7. 5n is equal to, this is minus 4. 61. This is 65. N equal to 13. Right? So at a value of n, those two terms are equal. Look here. In this question, they are given that you have to find out AP. Determine AP such that the third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term. Seventh term exceeds means plus the fifth term by 12. So let us find out what did they ask? You have to find the AP. Let us find. So from A3, A plus 2D is 16. And here let us substitute the formula. A plus 16, A plus 4D plus 12 can cancel A. 2D is equal to 12, D equal to 6. Bring D here. So A plus 12 is 16, A is equal to 4. After getting A and D, what is AP? Required AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. That means 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, like that. So, okay. Okay, this is a different question. You are asked to find out some term from the last. When they ask something like that, first we write A and D first. A is 3, D is 8 minus 3, that is 5. From the last, when you take A, it will be 253 from the last. And D will be, see it is plus 5, no? It is common difference is plus 5, you keep on adding D. When you come from last, it should be subtracting. So when you subtract from here, it should be adding from there. See very carefully. The common difference will change the sign when you come from right to left. If it is adding from left to right, it should be subtracting from left to right. If you are subtracting from left to right, you should be adding from right to left. Okay, that's what D value changes. Actual D for the regular series is plus 5. So the regular from the last the D value will be minus 5. If it is minus 5, from the last it will be plus 5. Understand? Now you are asked to find out 28th term from the last. A 20, A plus 19D, 253 plus 19 into minus 5, 253 minus 95, 158. Okay. See in this question 18th they given like the sum of the 4th and 8th terms is 24, sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find first three terms. That means you have to find out A plus D, A plus 2D. For that we need A value and D value. Okay. Very simple. You just write the formulas. A plus 3D, A plus 7D, 24, 2A plus 10D, 24. Let us make it simple. A plus 5D is 12. In the same way, this is A plus 5D, A plus 9D is 44, 2A plus 14D is 44, divide with 2, A plus 7D is 22. Now subtract. A plus 7D is 22, A plus 5D is 12, subtract, change the symbol, 2D is equal to 10, D is 5. When you get D 5, A plus 5D is 12, A plus 25 is 12, A is minus 30. So you got A value and D value. What are the first three terms? The first three terms are A plus D, A plus 2D. Minus 13, minus 13 plus 5, minus 13 plus 10, minus 13 minus 8, minus 3. Okay? Okay, look at this. This question is about some Subaru started working in 1995. He earns a salary of this, and this is the increment for every year. In which year he will reach his salary by 7,000. AN is 7,000. Let us see. Because in which year, how many? When you are asked to find out how many number, always you should equate that with AN. This is A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 7,000. So A is 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 200, 7,000. So bring 5,000 that side. 200 equal to 7,000 minus 5,000, 2,000. Now you can cancel this. It becomes 10. So n equal to 11. So after 11 years, he reaches his salary by 7,000. 1995 to 11 years means he take his salary of 7,000 by 2006. Okay. Now the last question. Here a particular person, Ram Kali, saved ₹5 in the first week of an year. He saves ₹5 and he increased her weekly savings. Okay, her weekly savings by ₹1.75 every week. First year she saved ₹5. For every week she is saving this. At what time? At what time? In which week? It becomes 20.75. Simple. So at what time or n? We should always equate with AN. So AN is equal to 20.75. A plus n minus 1 into T. The whole exercise depends on this formula only. 5 plus n minus 1 into 1.75. 20.75. Bring 5 to that side. So n minus 1 into 1.75. 15.75. N minus 1 equal to 15.75 by 1.75. 1575 by 175. Let us cancel this. 25 sevens, 25 6 T3, 7 nines. So n minus 1 is 9, n equal to 10. So after 10 weeks, he can save this amount of money. Okay. So in the next video, I will upload the next exercise. Bye guys.